Yeah, so we made the call for young urban youth that are feeling a passion inside to make change.
Don't give up the fight. Preacher man, don't tell me heaven is on.
You know, we think of Bob Marley and the kind of lyrics that he wrote and sang, and they were the heart of the people.
That Peter is gold. After story had never been told. So now you see the.
We need musicians. When you think about movements through history, there was always a unique sound to the movements. You know, there was a unique sound to the civil rights movement. It was actually one of the things that really stokes the movement and gives it a certain type of energy.
Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight.
We need a sound, so call in musicians, call in prophets, poets, songwriters, producers. Come and join this movement because we need a new song. We need a new song for this movement.